Copyright. A copyright is a type of intellectual property that gives its owner the exclusive right to copy and distribute a creative work. Usually for a limited time, the creative work might be in a literary, artistic, educational, or musical form. Copyright is intended to protect the original expression of an idea in the form of a creative work, but not the idea itself. A copyright is subject to limitation based on public interest consideration, such as their fair use decline in the United States. Some jurisdictions require fixing copyright work in a tangible form. It is often shared among multiple authors, as of one holds a set of rights to use or license the work, and who are commonly referred to as right holder. These rights frequently include reproduction, control over derivative works, distribution, public performance, and moral rights, such as attribution. Copyrights can be granted by public law and are in that case considered territorial rights. This means that copyrights granted by the law of a certain state do not extend beyond the territory of the specific jurisdiction. Copyrights of this type vary by country. Many countries and sometimes larger groups of countries have model agreement with other countries on procedures applicable when works cross national border or national rights are inconsistent. Typically, the public law duration of a copyright varies 15 to 100 years after the creator dies. Depending on the jurisdiction, some countries require certain copyright formalities to establishing copyrights. Others recognize copyrights in any complete work without a formal registration. When the copyright of a work expires, it enters the public domain. History. Background. The concept of copyright developed after the printing press came into use in Europe. In the 15-year and 16-year countries, the printing press made it much cheaper to produce work. But as there was initially no copyright law, anyone could buy or rent a press and print any text. Popular new works were immediately resent and republished by competitors. To printers needed a constant stream of new material. Fees paid to authors for new works were high and significantly supplement the incomes for many academics. Printing brought profound social change. The rise in literacy across Europe led to a dramatic increase in the demand for reading matter. Prices of reprints were low, so publication could be bought by poorer people, creating a mass audience. In German language markets before the advent of copyrights, technical material, like popular fiction, were inexpensive and widely available. It has been suggested this contributes to Germany's industrial and economic success. After copyrights law became established are in England and Scotland, and in German speaking areas. The low price mass market vanished and however more expensive editions were published. Distribution of scientific and technical information was greatly reduced. Conception. The concept of copyright first developed in England in reaction to the printing of scandalous books and pamphlets. The English Parliament passed the Licensing of the Press Act, which required all intent publication to be registered with the government-approved stationer company, giving the stationers the right to regulate what material could be printed. The Statute of Anne, enacted in England and Scotland, provided the first legislation to protect copyright or but now author's right. The Copyright Act extended more rights for authors but did not protect British from reprinting in the US. The Berne International Copyright Convention Finally, profit protection for authors among the countries was